Hey guys, this overnight oats recipe is one of the simplest, healthiest breakfast recipes that you may have ever come across. So start by making the base, for which I'm using some simple old-fashioned oats, and just in case you didn't know, oats contain more protein, fiber and antioxidants than most grains. So go ahead and throw in about half a cup. Next, I'm adding in a tablespoon of chia seeds, and this is what makes this dish develop a lovely creamy pudding-like texture. To make your overnight oats a little sweet, add in some sweetener of your choice. Honey or maple syrup works perfectly with this recipe. For that tangy flavor and velvety texture, I'm adding in some Greek yogurt. As for the liquid, I'm adding in half a cup of milk, but you can also make this recipe with the same amount of water. Finally, I'm adding in some vanilla extract, also an optional ingredient. Combine all the ingredients and let it refrigerate overnight.
8 hours later.
Now you can have this dish just as it is, or add in your favorite fruits, nuts, seeds, spices, just anything and everything you like. I have chosen to add in some peanut butter, berries, pistachios and peanuts. Another set of toppings that I truly enjoy is a mix of chopped apple, cinnamon, sugar and walnuts. So that's it. I hope you try out this recipe. It's simple, easy and absolutely delicious. Enjoy!